All right, well, I already failed the 30-day vlog challenge. I made it 3 days in. Fourth video came, I started an intro, and I never really filmed anything after the intro. The daily vlogging is a lot harder than I expected. The hardest thing is this channel is mainly like install stuff. It's mainly just me doing stuff to trucks. So in order for me to do daily vlogs, I have to be doing something to a truck every day, which one, I can't afford, and two, you run out of stuff to do. It was kind of hard for me to figure out something to film every single day. I'm trying to get into the vlogging aspect of YouTube, but it's a lot harder when YouTube is already my full-time job. Social media is my full-time job. I do a couple other things behind the scenes to make money, but the main income is YouTube. The main goal is YouTube. The main career is YouTube. So I need to push myself to do better. I'm not upset with myself necessarily because I did try. 3 days is better than no days. I at least started. I took the first step to doing it. I filmed 3 videos and then I failed after that. But the moral of the story is that I tried. I at least started. You can't fail without trying. So I tried, and I'm going to try again. Might not be right away, but I am going to try again. I don't want to force content. I don't want to make you guys watch something that isn't interesting. So I just want to put that out there that I already failed the challenge. I'm going back to my every other day uploading schedule, which, I mean, still, that's every other day. That's hard to keep up with. A lot of YouTubers only do 2-3 times a day. There's even some that do once a week. There's some that do once every couple weeks. So the fact that I'm uploading every other day is still impressive. I'm still working very hard to do that. I still spend a lot of time filming. I still spend a lot of time editing, and I still have a life behind the camera that you guys don't see, that isn't just straight truck content, isn't just going at it, installing stuff every single video. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, where it's not just straight truck content, let me know. I need the support. If you guys truly would like to see more of the behind the scenes of my life, more vlogs like that, let me know down in the comments, because if not, I'm not going to have the motivation to film them. If I don't think there's an audience for them, I'm not going to push myself to do it. Go down in the comments right now. I don't care if it looks dumb. I don't care if you guys are like, oh yeah, I'm interested in your life. I don't think it's dumb. If you're supporting me, I love you. Like every single one of you guys that hit the like button, every single one of you guys that hit the subscribe button, the guys that buy merch, I love you guys. You guys support me. You guys are pushing me to chase my dreams. You guys are pushing me to do better. I love you guys. So this intro is already almost 4 minutes long. Let's jump into today's video. We're gonna get the rest of the header completely bolted down, spark plug wires reconnected, get some gas for the F150, get it started up, and hopefully we don't have any more exhaust leaks. So let's jump right into it. So before we leave, I will no longer be having cold start issues, because in this packaging is our glow plug relay for the 7.3. So if you guys have been watching the recent videos, you guys know that I've had cold start issues with this truck. Anytime it gets below like 70 degrees, it doesn't want to start. And I went ahead and jumped the terminals on the glow plug relay, and it fired up. So that told me that my glow plug relay was indeed bad. I have been wanting to do all Motorcraft parts on this truck, but with this I did not do Motorcraft, just for the sole fact of this one is Dorman, which I believe is still a good brand, and it was $35 compared to the Motorcraft being $80. Even if this only lasts me 2 years, I could buy 2 of them cheaper than one of the Motorcraft ones and last 4 years, and I probably won't own the truck longer than 4 years. Figured that was the smarter idea. What we're gonna do now is disconnect the negative side on both of our batteries. Go ahead and get that out of the way, and then we'll get to replacing this glow plug relay. All right, so hopefully you can see everything. As you can tell, this terminal cover was pretty crusty, and it was actually melted on this side, which was also another telltale sign that this was damaged. So this is your constant positive side. This is your ignition side. So basically, when you turn the key, it activates the solenoid to flip to send power to this side. But the solenoid has failed, so we're not getting power to this side, which is not allowing our glow plugs to heat up. So that's what the new solenoid will do. We're gonna get everything swapped over to the new one now. Guys, here is our old one right here. Here's our new one right here. As you can tell, they look almost exactly the same. Comes with all new hardware for it. So all you have to do is just reuse the old mounting nuts that held this down. So right here we've got two 10 millimeters, and then we have a 3/8 on each side, which now these will probably be metric. The new ones will probably be metric. The old ones were standard. And then the hot post or 1/2 inch, which are these guys right here. Like I said, these will all probably be metric now. Just about anything newer is metric. A lot of the old stuff was standard, but let's get this back on. So the truck did fire up, but it did take longer than I was hoping. It was down in the 40s last night, but with the new glow plug relay, it should have heated those glow plugs up right away. So I'm guessing I have some bad glow plugs. I'm guessing they're not heating up the way they should, because batteries I believe are good, the starter's good. The glow plug relay I think was not working, but it might just be bad glow plugs. So I might have replaced that relay and it not have actually been the problem, or it could have been a problem and we just also have bad glow plugs. Either way, the truck did start, so I guess that's a good sign. But I'm gonna clean everything up, get our gas can, go to the gas station, get some gas for the F150, and we'll come back, get everything tightened down and get it started. All right, so one thing I am going to be doing is pouring some seafoam in the gas tank. After seeing how well this worked on Trevor's Cummins, I kind of believe it now, because I mean, it truly did help a lot with this truck, and we were able to see results with it. Now the issue with this truck not being registered anymore, which means it is not tagged, I can't drive it to the gas station to fill it up, so I have to fill it up every time with a gas can, which sucks because I can only do 5 gallons at a time, which takes a while. And then you have times like this where it's leaking and it's just spilling gas all over my forged wheels. The truck hasn't been started in 2-3 weeks, so I need to jump it off, and that's why this is parked where it's parked, is so we can hook the jumper cables up to it. Now I'm gonna go ahead, let it charge up for a couple minutes, and then we'll get it started and start the curing process. Fingers crossed, this will be the time. Started. No exhaust leak. Alright, so it's idling a little rough because there's probably some stuff stuck in the carburetor. Like I said, it didn't run for about 3 weeks, but there's no exhaust leak now. It's coming straight out of the exhaust, not the header. So here, I'll show you guys real quick. Does be able to hear it a little bit better once I shut this noisy 7.3 off. No exhaust leak, coming straight out of the exhaust. Yep. Nothing coming from up here. So a lot of those marks you guys see on it are actually scratches from me trying to put it in. If you guys don't know paint your headers, have someone come help you, because I tried doing it by myself and header fell, hit the frame, hit the side of the motor, and just scratched it up. So if you're gonna take the time to paint your headers, you might as well just go ahead and have someone come help you do it. come help you put it in. It's gonna save you from messing it up. But now I let this idle for 10 minutes and then cool for 10, idle for 20, and cool for 20. So I'll pick you guys back up in a little bit. All right, guys, it is the next day. Got a little distracted, but the truck is all fixed now. No more exhaust leaks, no header leak, nothing like that. Music City Showdown is coming up in about 2 months. So I got a lot of stuff I need to get done to this. This is going to Music City. We'll be in Nashville. So if you guys would like to see this thing in person, you know where we'll be. So I got a lot of stuff I need to powder coat underneath. There's still some stuff I want to do underneath the hood to fix up some leaks and just maintenance stuff that's been overlooked for a while. And now that I kind of have this thing looking the way I'm okay with, it's not the way I want it, but I'm okay with it. I'm trying to focus on, you know, fixing the oil leaks, fixing the transmission leaks, getting this thing running better. And then once we get all that done, we'll go back into tackling the lift and everything, because there is other things I would like to do with this lift. This is not how I permanently want it, but header is completely cured. It is all done. So in a future video, probably be cutting the muffler off. I'm torn if I should just buy exhaust and weld it myself, or cut the muffler off, cut the pipes that I've welded, take this to an exhaust shop and just pay them like $300-400 and just do full exhaust out the back. I think that would be the smarter option, because then it's going to look a lot better. And as much as I like doing stuff myself, I also like things to look professional, and if I can't produce that quality, it's easier just to pay someone else. So I think that's what I might end up doing. If you guys made it to the end of the video, please drop a like on this video. And guys, I've been pushing it recently, but I have not pushed it the 3.5 years I've done YouTube. Hit the notification bell. YouTube has slowly been killing my channel, and as well as other channels, by just pushing our videos all the way down to the bottom. I've talked to plenty of people that say, I didn't even know you posted, because YouTube didn't recommend my video, didn't show it in their feed, anything. So please hit that notification bell. It helps out my channel a lot that you guys watch when the videos get posted. And I don't want this channel to die. I've put a lot of work into this, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, and I really do not want this channel to die. So please hit that bell, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be fucking great.